so ngakhohlwa mawulayita kuhamba network la ngathi kusasenobuthakathi nyana idimoni likhishwa njani nomzalwane uyakhuleka kuphela awuhashi salt angithuli kahle la endlini anyway ngileke emathuneni mangifika ngathi mangifika lapha ngathi Thokoza boy in ngathi konje ngithokozisa ngifike ngathi hi boy yabo mangiceda ukuthi Thokoza ngakhuluma ke maqeda ngathi you boy sorry ngadla ukutshela ukuthi uma ngosindisiwe because bengakasho ngathi okay boy uma usindisiwe manje yabo so aye sisakhuluma endombeni ngizoza kuwe la and mangiza kungakwadi yabo so and then mangiceda lapho ngashiya imali phela bengitshela ukuthi mangiya lapho nokushiya imali ngakhipha imali ekhanyayo ngakhuluma ngathi ngicela khanyisa indlela zami ngaphinde ngathi yo boy ngikhohliwe so kancane ningibekezelele bazalwane indlela sisazohamba asibambalene nje ngizandla but eventually ngimtshelile kuboy ukuthi ngisindisiwe angangilindi nje msamo I'm strong I think I understand but yo yeah yabona nje uyabona manje fire Nkosi ngibonga uthando mina ungikhiphe gebitha ungithande ngibhodla simakade ithi ngingazijudge because I know slowly but surely you are with me. May I not be of this world because the world is judgmental. Wena Nkosi uyangana singakwazi you are me. Should mangibhodla because lithi izwi ungaphakathi kwami. Angikwazi kuyenza into wena ungayenzi. If the word says you are inside me, should isibhodla sonke. So somewhere somehow should now bone edlozi manje sosindisiwe. Sizayicoca leso yethu but whatever I do you do. So manje it is asingeni lapho lithi izwi you are inside me. So kusho mangibhodla uyabhodla. So yeah. So God loves me. Angisana nokuthola uthini mzalwane. Ngoba manje sengayibona lento uNkulunkulu ngithanda mina. Nami ngiyamthanda. Sathandana nje. Love, breathe in, wobbly, shaky. That's my relationship with God. It's wobbly, wibbly, it's shaky. It's nice. God loves me. You know, so anyway, ngihambe kahle. Okay, asizela. You know, my sister, you still need deliverance to completely disconnect you spiritually. As pendulum. Ngimpendulo ngiyekele. I have 26 seconds to answer. No, deliverance from what? You know, my sister, you still need deliverance to completely disconnect. Phela manje completely disconnect ukusho ufuna ngiphume ngoNkulunkulu dala kimi vele. From talent engabungozi unami so manje ngikhona disconnect ufuna ngiphume nakuye ke manje ngenze njani? I can't disconnect spirituality. Oh no uyayibhida. No uyayilahla. You are losing it. Yeah, no. Kumele uthi wena disconnect logical, not spiritual. Uyadibhela wena ngoba awungazi spiritual dala ngikhwela mina. Wena ungaze manje. Mina uJehova ngimazi kudala. Pintsha mleya. Awona nje nina futhi nje ngathi but it's fine. It's wobbly. Khona sengine-flu. No, guys, ngikhale kakhulu namhlanje. Ngingasakhali. Hayi, khalile. Ngikhalile wena. Hayi, ngikhalile. Huh? Wena. Ingasakhali. Ayisaphuma leyo voice yokukhama. Ngingasakhali. Like ngikhalile ngathi umncwabo utoday. Phela sengikhalela nezolo lapho sengikhalela angazi neshoba lami ngikhalela futhi ishoba lami lena belidura guys ishoba lami. Sengikhalela le ntombi zami ikhalile sengikhalela ngikhalile sengikhalela kusiyami ishoba lami. Dumi. Hayi yabona nami ngikuhlala phansi ngibuka impilo yami ngithi yeah because in one day ngathi ngibuka imoto lafu ngafaka uMzansi Magic ngafaka neRiat Hotel ngahlanganisa ngahleka. Hayi khona manje is pity. So ngangiphahlile ngaphahla ngacela ukuye phesheya. So sengiphesheya ngenza njani ngiyabuyela ngiyobonga ngale ndlela ngicela ngayo. But let's just advise each other, you know, what's gonna happen now, because ngangaphahla nakhumbula ngengabhala ngayo Facebook the Australia gig. Do you guys remember? That was last year. I don't know if you guys remember. That was last year. Ngaphahla ngabhalana phansi. Khumula le time ngithe ngibhale phansi. Yes. Nokumele le time ngithe sibhale phansi izinto. This was one of the things. And ngantshela ngathi mina ngifuna ngephesheya. So ngibonga njani? Ngibonga la ngicela khona because ngangiphatha amakhandlela. Advice. Manje yimi senza njani manje? Ngibabonga esontweni. So mangithandaza esontweni ngithi mina ngibonga ukuthi nangizwa ngalesa sikhathi bese ngapha ngithi God I continue with you ngapha. Hayi lento ayi. Bizana uShembe. Senza njani manje? Like as lento ifana ne. Uyahamba uyakaShembe uyocela umsebenzi. Maqeda and uba specific ukuthi babShembe ngicela umsebenzi kaVodacom. Mangiceda kuthola umsebenzi kaVodacom utshela ubaba Shembe wena awusakhuleki kaBaba sokukhuleke ezethu sotholile umsebenzi ngale ulobo uqelile kuShembe ubuyela kuShembe uyobonga uchubeka ngaphezulu uthi thank you and sibe fair and honest. Okay, ngireza le point ukuthi kusasa maningi ngizonika uPep. Ningathi ngibuyela ngoba mina will never. You understand? Angibuyele ezangomeni but uma ungizwa nginuka impepho you must ukuthi ngisuke ngilike ngisuke ngisho ukuthi like hello bomaki because abomakhelwane uyabona labantu kuthi hi Mikey uyakhumbula ngelangeni so inini ngiboleka ispoon ngicela ngisitholile leso spoon therefore bese ngisho ukuthi ispoon isitholile then ngiyesontweni angajajana nina bonga nje ukuthi ngimtholele uJehova ukaphambili nje angajajani hayi angajajani futhi ningangijaji nje nina nithini or just pray. Okay, I'll do that. Definitely, I'll do that. I take your advice. I mean, I listen to people into the spirit. I listen. And you know, okay. Open the book of Proverbs 15 verse 4. Proverbs 15 verse 4. And please tell us what it's in. 15 verse 4. Verse 4. Yabo ningibuza uwabli manje. Ulele. 15 verse 4. Nina.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Those who believe ukuthi ugogo Skhotheni ushintshile urepentile, she's no longer isangoma, so sindisiwe guys. Yathini be right, shemni be strong futhi. Because mina ngimboni njalo uTumi just like she's just a person with chase a little clouds ilafuna ukuthi khulunywe ngayo. I don't know ukuthi she's going through some kind of depression or something, but akekho right ever since kushona emntwana ke guys uTumi akekho right. I swear to you akekho right lo sesilo, because tell me why umuntu osindisiwa lokhu athena bekavakashela emathuneni yeyi ushiye imali yeyi boyo yeyi like tonke leti ndatikhuluma konje they're just so unnecessary. So unnecessary. But nina linibheliva ukuthi vele ushintshile urepethile yeso usindisiwe akasasesangoma. Good luck guys, nibe right, nibe right nje if ni believe lento le Tumi Angela yona, because wow, this girl's just hilarious kasana. Nje kufanele be comedian uTumi, because like she's very good ekwenteni mahlaya. Kufanele nje abe comedian atokhona hlala kahle anihlekisa, because cha yena uyahlekisa. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.